Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing good, staying safe, staying healthy. We're all good here as well, by God's grace. Admire the beauty of nature, you will feel relaxed. Listen to the music of your heart, you will feel blessed. And that is how my day starts. Just before starting the day, having a cup of tea, I peep out of the balcony just to see some cute gestures of nature. As we all know, we get ready for the week in the weekend. Making my ginger garlic and green chili paste get ready. Add some salt and grind it and transfer it to the container. And that's ready. Small things, we just make it ready in the weekend to avoid rush in the morning during the weekdays. Was preparing drumstick gravy for the lunch. So once the pot is hot, to the oil I've added zira, that's cumin seeds. After frying it, I add the ground onion paste. Get it cooked well. Add some salt. Once the color is changed, add a slit of green chili. Mix it well, and after it is cooked and mixed, add the tomato puree. Get it well cooked. So before I add the drumsticks, I soak it in water. So after some time soaked in water, I add them. What else? We just have to go with adding the masalas. Turmeric powder, red chili powder and some coriander powder. Combine them all and close the lid to get it cooked well. Being a woman, being a mother, being a housewife, you have so many responsibilities, and responsibilities teach you many things. Small things: resource management, cooking management, time management. Do not waste any blessings that God has given you. Try to make use of each and every resource without wasting it. Just give a pulse in the mixer jar to avoid the waste of tomato puree. Use it in the gravy instead of just adding the water to the gravy. The innate qualities of endurance, empathy, creativity, tolerance, dignity, gentleness, kindness, and among others that naturally comes to women. That is how we have to feel proud of being a. We women are all made of not weakness, strength of managing so many things: health management, resource management, and also career plus education plus parenting, and also taking care of the whole family. It's not just a blessing. We just have to be grateful throughout our life for so many things that God has given to us being a woman. We are a mother, wife, sister, daughter, daughter-in-law, bhabhi, sister-in-law. So many characters and roles and responsibilities plays a vital role. Being a strong woman, you learn so many things out of it. And trust me, Taking up a responsibility makes us more perfect being a human. So once the gravy comes to boil, and if you check if the drumstick is well cooked, that's the time to add the coconut paste. So finally goes the coconut paste. Grind it in a mixer jar and then finally add it and cook it for some time. So to make a pepper chicken gravy, I have taken a clean chicken and marinated for some time just for the flavor to get into the chicken. So I have added some salt, red chili powder, coriander powder and some turmeric powder. Some drizzle of oil. Give it a good mix and keep it aside. So to make the pepper chicken gravy, I have taken 3 medium-sized onion in a mixer jar and cumin and fennel seed, that is zira and saunf powder, along with 1 tablespoon of pepper powder. So in a pressure cooker, I have added some oil and I'm gonna add the ground paste of onion with pepper. So that goes. Mix it well, and in the same mixer jar, add a slit of green chili along with some coriander leaves and mint leaves and 1 small sized tomato. Grind it in a mixer jar. So now add the ground mixture. Combine them well and get it cooked. So after some time, I add the marinated chicken. Mix it well and close the lid just for some time. So after some time, I can see that the chicken is well mixed. I add some water. Mix it well again and get it pressure cooked for 1 whistle. So that's ready. Delicious, spicy and tasty pepper chicken gravy is ready. Instead of just making a milk tea, I prefer making a herbal tea. So to make a herbal tea, I have used Mexican mint leaves, or you can say ajwain ke patte or karpooravilli ilai. Altogether, crush it and boil it along with some crushed ginger. After it comes to boil, add the tea powder. Allow it to get well boiled. Prefer adding 1 teaspoon of brown sugar or with no sugar. I try to avoid white sugar at least for tea, coffee or milk completely. Boost your immunity with the natural things that God has given you. So I always try to make herbal tea. And for the evening I prepared kesari, that is suji ka halwa or suji sweet. So in a kadai I have taken ghee, that's 1 tablespoon of ghee, and fried the dry fruits, that is some almonds and cashews, that's finely chopped. My daughter always stays beside me whenever I come to kitchen. If I am there for at least 70% of time, she will be there with me. Just see what I'm cooking. And that's semolina roasted in the ghee. After roasting it well with the ghee, there goes lukewarm water. You can even add milk instead of water, but I have used water here. And then I added some food color. Cook it well and keep stirring. And finally add white sugar. You can use brown sugar instead of white sugar. That's more healthier. Mix it and get it well cooked. Once you can see that the sugar is well dissolved and the suji is well cooked, that's ready to serve. And finally garnish it with the dried fruits, that is fried dry fruits. I hope you all would have liked this video. If yes, please do give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. It will boost me a lot to make more such videos. Meet you all again with some interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.